Stupid, sorry, stupid food review show. I'm your host as always, Jesus in a Tortilla. These have been all over my Facebook. I had to get them. I don't know anything about them. That's the whole point of my thing. I don't know any of them. But these are peanut butter and chocolate granola squares, crunchy dipped, and they're new. There's a lot of new stuff coming out of Nature Valley lately. Last couple years, just huge amounts. Used to just basically be granola bars. But now, oh my goodness, I can't even, they're so glued shut. They're so glued shut. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, wow, they're just right there. They're kind of small. They're individually packaged, actually, for like, thanks for Halloween, I guess. How many did you get in there? 6 of them. Good God. All right. Really not big of a deal. All right. Crunchy dipped Nature Valley. I love Nature Valley. I like old school crunchy granola bars. I love them. They're horrible on my teeth, but I love them. I noticed a couple of years ago, they did change the Nature Valley. It said a lot easier on the teeth. I don't know if they changed that back or not. Got chocolate chips in the front, peanut butter in the back. Love it. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know if these are going to be around, but why they're still around, I'm going to buy them. If they're a little cheaper. They're the finely ground granola is a nice touch. There's no big chunks of granola. It's all very finely ground. But it's still crunchy, but it doesn't bother your teeth at all. I worry about the teeth, damn it. And this has peanut butter on the bottom, which is always good. They're a little small. You normally get 2 big crunchy granola bars per packet. And this, about a quarter size of one and thin, and there's only one of them. I don't understand that. At least put 2 in the bag, because that's how you're normally used to getting your Nature Valley granola bars. They taste really good. I think they're a little too expensive. They're just 6 little tiny bars. They probably go this high up in the box. They don't even go that high up. They're only that high up. This is empty. All right, taste though. They're just about damn perfect. I'll say 8.9, 8.6, and they're pretty damn good. That's all I got. Love you guys.